Hello my friends, new friends, old friends, everyone who decided to visit my channel today. My name is Nataliya. We have unboxing, small unboxing today, just one canvas, and I already opened the top cover of this one, and I had to open to see from who this diamond painting. So I already kind of opened and peekaboo, and I don't know what to say. I'm a little bit maybe disappointed because this canvas wasn't big size, I think, but they did folded canvas, and I know that many of you don't like folded canvas. And as I mentioned before, the Coodeals create diamond paintings now only from velvet canvases, and they pretty much good withstanding any folds because it's easy. It's like a fabric, you stretch it and it's good to go. But it's still not everybody like that, and if box not alone enough, then maybe they should ship instead of folded in a longer those plastic bags. I don't know, give me your opinion, what you think about this in the comments below, please. But as always, I received some extra gift. It's the DMC gold sheets. Numbers in here from 1 to 100, I think, and then alphabet in here, and of course my favorites, it's the sheets of parchment paper, where I using them when I do diamond paint, and I think it's 3 or 4 inside in here. Love them. It's a nice good size of the sheets, so you can cover big area if you like to put like the whole thing. Some people cover everything in a the whole canvas in parchment papers. I'm just doing when I do my hold on just a minute. Okay, so my phone distracted me, hold on. The tool set. Oh, today we have some yellow spongy. I don't remember, do I have a yellow one of this grippy? I might have. I know I have some blue, some purples, I think. I like that different. Lately we've received like this bright pink. I like those as well. So I have a yellow one. I have, oh, this is my favorite tools that I like. Those 4-placer, my favorite one. Never mind, my hands, puppy scratched me a little bit. So 1-placer, 4-placer, and 7-placer, and lots of wax, and that tray. And I think maybe this is the tray. The grid in here not as big. I did email about that because feels like grid on the outside stronger than on the inside. That's why the diamond is just sliding away. So reverse machine printed, I don't know. I did mention that in my email, so hopefully later on they will fix this problem. But this one I guess already were packed maybe before that. So toolkit, still amazing toolkit. And now let me show you what I have in here. So as you can see, this is how much canvas got folded, and the size is 60 by 60 centimeters. So it's not very big canvas. I don't know why they folded. I'm a little bit disappointed about that. And let me open. So what I will do, I will see, this could be just a regular bag, it would be good. But even folded, see, it's not big deal. In here you can see the wrinkles. But if I can show you, you can literally iron. If I would iron from this side with warm, not very hot, and over some kind of sheet. But let me show you the glue, for example, in here where the folds was. Okay, so if you look on a glue, there's no damage in the glue in those folds. It's still nice and smooth. So what I will do about this, usually if it's happened like this, I'm just going to put some kind of like a round thing, those foam rolls that you sometimes receive your diamond painting. And actually I would do in this side so the squeaky sheet this doesn't stretch and crumble material like fabric. So I usually roll inside so the sheet go nicely. And if I would have a foam roll inside and here, to put as tight as possible like this, and just to leave it for a couple of days, and all these folds will easier up and stretch away. So it's not a problem for me, but I know some of you doesn't like it. But let's concentrate on the colors in here. Look how beautiful this design. It's beautiful, the dragonfly. When I was little, I was trying to catch some, especially when we would go to the river in the summer hot days to swim, and they would land it on the river, the greenery that grow on the side of the banks of the river, right? And they're like a transparent, colorful purple wings. And as a kid, I was chasing them. Yeah, I try to catch it, but they can bite. They look like a nibble on you. They can bite. But it is beautiful. I love how it's done like inside of some kind of mandala. Colors is gorgeous. It's gonna be like green eyes. So we have on the bottom pink peony flowers. On the top we have a purple peonies. And it's just the purple, blue and pinks combination of the colors. So beautiful. And we do have a 45 colors in here. For a diamond painting, that's a lot of colors. And the best part is, my friends, this is all crystal diamonds. It's going to be so sparkle. Lately, I'm absolutely in love with crystals diamond painting. It's such a joy to work on it. So the link to this diamond painting will be under my video in the description box. So as discount code, I believe there is 15% discount code if you order with my name. Just check it out how exactly to put in the description. It's in the description box, all the information you need to know. And here it is, the little sheet about this. Basically little tiny design printed in here, and just a DMC code, how many grams each bag of colors, all that kind of stuff. And there's nothing else important in here. Yeah, it's all crystals, diamonds. Now to show you just a little bit of the beautiful print in here, you can check it out. Here is on the pink portion, here is on the purple one, just to show you visibility of the print. And like, I love their glue. Their glue are really good. Their glue are really good. Here is how the sample looks like a confetti, but I think it's just the way it's printed on the wings. It's not confetti, but doesn't matter. It's not a cross stitch anyway. So it is gorgeous. All done around, nicely done. Scallop. This is nicely, very professionally done in here. Sometimes has a cut kind of different, depends on the machine how they cut. And it looks like after focus a little bit. Hold on, we're gonna trigger. Okay. Now, are we ready for some yummy colors in here? Let's check it out. Well, basically, you can, I don't think I need to open, because you can see them all like this already. Beautiful palette, some pretty colors of their pecan. Oh, that's a nice one. But maybe we can see some of the colors. I know that this tray probably not going to be good, but let's try it. For example, there's a very pretty, this one, beautiful color. Let's see the quality of the diamonds. If you watch me working on magical dust mushrooms, all this kind of diamonds, it's so beautiful, so sparkle. Okay, this tray I would say not bad because it's actually lined up a little bit. No. Oh, look how beautiful diamonds. All clarity, like it's not foggy, very clear glass. Very nice. Let me show you some random more color just to make sure we like them, and I highly recommend. So when you go to Coodeals.com, on the top of the website you will see I think it's like a type of diamonds or something says up there on the top, and that's where you have to click and it will open up window for you of different kind of diamonds, like round, square, but also you can there's a AB diamonds, fairy dust, sometimes can show you fairy dust plus AB. They do have a mixture now so that you can have a few of different kinds in the same canvas, which amazing, they do that now. See, very nice, good clarity diamonds. That is beautiful. It looks a little bit different on the camera color. In real life it's much brighter. I don't know why camera sometimes disguise color. That's a mystery. Okay. Oh, there's a very, okay, for those who love purples, ladies and gentlemen, this is for you, for the purple lovers. Oh, let me put them in here. That's a beautiful purple. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, no, this tray is not good. I cannot put them on the lines, but here it is, purple color. In a camera, it's more purple blue. For me, it's more purple pinkish side. So yeah, I cannot believe it. My camera doesn't show correct color. Maybe YouTube channel will look different than when I'm looking at right now on camera. I don't know. That's mystery to me why it's happened like this. So yeah, the colors is beautiful. They do have a good quality, so you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, there's some like bright green. Yeah, very beautiful. I don't know if you can hear it, but we have a heavy rain first thing in the morning. And it's a Saturday right now for me, so I think you're gonna watch this video on Monday. So it's going to be ready. Okay, there you go. What you think? It's a small unboxing today, but instead of doing some other video, I just decided that we should not to wait till Thursday and get this unboxing first, so I don't have any outstanding unboxing. The design itself is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Love all the colors, and this side will be less wiggles, no reflective side. It's beautiful. This thing is going to be so pretty. Go kind of like start from pink to blue to purple, or like a pink purple, blue green. It's such a beautiful, then fading ombre, kind of go to here from green to yellow and kind of orange red. Oh, it's going to be amazing. I'm really happy with this one. And yeah, I will not gonna put back in the box. I'm gonna tight the roll very, very tight to give it up as much as possible this fold in here. And actually I could do probably by helping a little bit more to readjust this sheet now, to re-stick a little bit, because while it's shipped it's got a little bit stretched from the fold. So it's not bad, it's not bad at all. But before place diamonds, I definitely would recommend to iron a little bit first, so later will be more kind of straight diamonds would layer better maybe. Okay, Thank goodness this is not plastic canvas, because if they would be folded plastic canvas, it would have like a big folds and harder to get rid of them. On a velvet canvas is not bad. No, this is good. This is good. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for visiting me today. I will see you tomorrow with Underwater World. So bring your canvas together. We're going to create as a big group of people. Thank you very much, and I will see you tomorrow.